Hi everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll break down the basics of data analytics for beginners, a must-know skill in today's data-driven world. Data analytics is the process of collecting, cleaning, and interpreting data to find useful insights. In simple words, it's about turning raw numbers into meaningful decisions. For example, businesses use data analytics to understand customer behavior, improve products, and predict future trends. The process usually involves 4 steps: data collection, gathering information from sources like surveys, websites, or databases. Data cleaning, removing errors and duplicates. Data analysis, using tools like Excel, Python, or Tableau to identify patterns. Data visualization, creating charts and dashboards to share results in a clear way. Data analytics is everywhere in healthcare, business, education, sports, and even social media. By learning these basics, you open doors to exciting career opportunities and better decision-making skills. So, data analytics isn't just for tech experts, it's for anyone who wants to make smarter choices. What tool do you want to learn first, Excel, Python, or Tableau? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my assignment solution for more helpful videos.